Hello everybody, ようこそ皆さん、チャンネル戻ってきてありがとう and welcome back everybody. So continuing the upgrades onto the VSR, I have picked up a new hop-up unit, the Laylax PSS G-Spec hop-up unit. This one here, you can actually use a AEG barrel on it rather than sticking with the VSR or GBB style.inner barrels。今回のアップグレードはLaylaxのホップアップのユニットですね。これは、VSR スタイルとか GBB とかガス用のイナバレルじゃなくて、これが電動ガンのバレルを使えるために、買いましたね。So,the hop-up unit inside the barrel here. So all you're gonna do, このホップアップですね。先に外しましたよね。So we did remove this in part 1 when removing the barrel from the receiver. So you'll just pull this back. これを後ろに引っ張るだけですね。And、if you do have trouble, sometimes I do. たまに閉じ込まれるときになんか出してできないときもあるけど、So what I usually do is I'll just shake it down and sometimes it'll pop right out. 自分はちょっと強く下に触れたらホップアップが出ていきますね。So you'll just go ahead and pull this out here. Now, to pull this here apart, you will need your plus driver or your Phillips head to remove all this here. ホップアップ取るときにプラスドライバーを使って外しましょうね。We will also be reusing the hop-up lever here as well. この古いレバーも使えますから、これも外しましょうね。That just slides right off. And that is how you remove it. And I actually already was using a AEG inner barrel on this. これが AEG のイナバレルもともと使ってましたので。And we will not need any of those any longer. それではもう使わなくていいから横に寄せます。So, time to put the Laylax hop-up unit inside and attach. And on the inside of the flap here, and of course here you have your instructions on how to remove your outer barrel hop-up unit and all that there. これで面接入ってますね。どうやって外すとか、こっちに This is right here just stating that the hop-up adjuster, you will need this, so put it off to the side. And it looks like also the BB stopper is what we'll need as well. So first things first is to put on the long air seal chamber unit, which comes in this handy dandy little baggie. So just like other AEG hop-up rubbers, you have the line on here to match up with the gap here. 他のホップアップ電動ガンのホップアップみたいにこっちに線がありますので、そこに入れましょうね。こういう感じで入りますね。And of course, we will open all this up here. This one looks like it uses a Allen key. これがこのキーを使ってるみたいですね。Go ahead and pull this off here. And okay, so that just drops right there, and this barrel will actually just drop right on here. And let's just double check, make sure this is okay. So drop these back in. Okay, so now we got the hop-up unit on there, and we also checked to make sure the spring is actually bringing this back, and it is completely working. それで全部強く締めてはあるけど、超強くでなんかネジが壊れるようぐらいはしてないですね。で、それで we will also throw this arm back on. ちょっと失敗したことあるね。So I did mess up a little bit installing this here. So this arm should go in here before you tighten all of this down. これ全部強く締まる、ネジ全部締まるまでには、ちゃんとホップアップアジャストアームを先に入れた方がいいですね。And now we could close everything up one more time. あと一回締めましょうね。Okay, now that we have our hop-up adjustment lever installed here, time to put the screws back on the lever. やっと全部つけましたので、ネジを戻しましょうね。はい、それで、we shall see how this all works. And hop all the way, hop all the way off. Okay, so everything's good to go. 全部大丈夫ね。ホップアップも全部動いたり、上がったり下がったりできますから、time to put this back into the barrel here, the unit, and we will just go ahead and slide that in and line this up as such. こういう感じで並べますね。And those will actually replace these two here. その新しく入ってきたネジはこの2つの代わりに入るらしい。is too short. 短すぎるね。こっちに入るために。So, unfortunately, we won't be able to use those. 残念だが、それを使ってできませんから、we will go back to using the old screws. Okay, so the block is back on. それで、ブロックは戻しましたね。And now to put these back together. So, one thing. 一つのことね。こっちに穴ありますね。こっちにも穴ありますね。あと、こっちにも穴あります。So, these holes will line up once you screw them all the way, thread them all the way through. This will line up with this screw here, and this will line up with this hole here. So, I don't know if you can see it. 見えるかわかんないけど、ちょっと黒からちょっと光るところがありますね。これが穴が並びましたみたいな感じで。And that's where it all lines up right there. Place it back in there. 一つ言いたかったのは、こっちのネジは、ただ、このアウターバラルを回らないために置かれてますね。So, and I just realized I forgot one thing. で、今気づいた。一つ忘れました。多分、皆さん気づきましたと思うけど、So I believe you guys all noticed what I did forgot what I did forget. Wow, I cannot speak today. I'm just putting the lever back. Yes. So everything is installed back to the way it was, mostly just missing the stock, but let's go ahead and see how if it's still good. So is it still firing? Yes, it is. And that is even more quiet than I thought it would be. It's even more quiet. That is pretty much the end of this project here. I have one more video or one more update for you guys, and that will be on the next one. So if you guys did enjoy, or if you found this series informative, please leave a like, comment, sub, and share. And we'll tune in with you guys next time. それで、皆さん、なんか慣れたとか、これ結構面白かったって思ったら、登録、コメント、シェアをお願いします。で、また次へお願いします。バイ。